The truly current exchanging volume of torrential slide most certainly is at $175,022,278. Or so they certainly thought. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in an unpretentious manner. Avax United States dollar medium-term support generally remained at $13.68, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slides EMA 10 truly shows a fundamentally descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. 22 June 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these much of the time. Sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What explicitly is transient cost expectation for torrential slide? Truly is Avax an excellent interest in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on in a sort of significant manner. However, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Avax specialized investigation, explicitly let us especially discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,171,633,916,656, showing how Avax United States dollar medium-term support certainly remained at $13.68 in an in every practical sense, significant way. The kind of complete exchanging volume especially remains at $45,387,585,410 in a huge manner. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%. Which fundamentally is very huge, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level after a vertical development of 0.4% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum, most certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time span, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 0.14%. And right now exchanging at 50 cents, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an extremely huge way. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a fundamentally descending heading for fundamentally present moment, showing how yet prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Avax specialized examination, by and large, let us truly discuss the very current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a very broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a quite large manner. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize extremely key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that Avax United States dollar medium-term support commonly remained at $13.68 in an unobtrusive manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers certainly become essentially more especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they for the most part thought. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which merchants essentially move extremely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the Avax specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us fundamentally discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The by and large current torrential slide cost, especially is $12.78, with an exchanging volume of $175,022,278 and the for the most part beyond 24 hours, showing how support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers for the most part become commonly more especially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Right now, Avax fundamentally is somewhere near 0.66% since yesterday. with a market capitalization of $4,408,600,243 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value investigation Avax cost examination for 22 June 2023. Inside a buy in large day-to-day time span really made sense of underneath, or so they generally thought. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including most certainly straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving essentially normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the torrential slide in a truly significant manner explicitly. While Avax's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, truly signal in a real sense is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of significant manner. The Avax United States dollar moving commonly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer fundamentally is demonstrating a sort of present moment, certainly sell essentially signal, as the MACD line especially is moving underneath signal line, which especially implies generally bears by and large are ruling on the lookout, showing how XRP the especially local coin of XRP in a real sense is up by 0.14, and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, or so they basically thought. The torrential slide sort of has especially break all its basically upholds levels, and things sort of are not looking commonly great for the crypto market, showing how while Avax's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, genuinely signal sort of is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which by and large is genuinely huge. Right now, sort of bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively basically take Avax cost beneath the critical help level of $14.76. Truly further appearance how the Avax United States dollar moving especially normal union and difference, MACD, pointer, certainly is demonstrating an extremely present moment, explicitly sell exceptionally signal, as the MACD line basically is moving underneath genuinely signal line which explicitly implies in a real sense, bears essentially are ruling on the lookout, showing how XRP the local coin of XRP especially is up by 0.14, and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, which most certainly is very huge. The in every practical sense, relative strength record, RSI demonstrates that the Avax coin certainly is an oversold stage, as RSI for the